How about a 1970 Dodge Charger 500? Just a real quick one. Here is a 1973 or 74 Plymouth Roadrunner. Right there's a 70 Roadrunner. And I don't know what that one is. I'll check when I go around the other side. But real Roadrunner. Been sitting here for over 20 years, because I've personally known about it for 20 years, but that was my 318 cubic inch. So it could be a 70, I think it's a 74 then. How about a Dodge van? All right, walking into the property. How about a 75 Dodge Dart Swinger? And there's the Roadrunner. And then moving my way back, there's another Roadrunner back here. The neighbor's dog is not too happy that I'm here. It's a gunmetal gray. Can't make out what the hood says. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, there's a 68 satellite four-door right there. Small block exhaust manifold. The cool thing is I have pictures of all these cars 20 years ago that I'll post at the end to show you what became of them. This is one of my favorites. 1970 Dodge Charger 500. And it is not one of the fastback 69s. In 70, it was just a low-level package. It was like, there's base, the 500, and then SE, RT, RTSE, so on and so on. But this one is real 3D3 car, I believe. Same thing, I'll have pictures of this at the end when I saw it the last few times. Then here's another like 72 Dodge Charger. So here's a 73, 74 Dodge Charger. '75 Fury. Oh, I'm sorry, Charger Sport. There's an Imperial in there. I don't know if you can see. And then this one was actually a cool car. 71 Dodge Coronet cop car. And I think that was even a Ford cop car. You got them in a deal. Of course, I had to come here when there's so much foliage. But unfortunately, it wasn't by choice. I mean, it was by choice I came here, but couldn't get here any sooner. Small Dodge 40s and Dodges. See if I can get the hood open. I see the hood's popped on the Charger. I don't think there's anything in it now. Nope, the release is missing. Alright, sorry. I'm not gonna get down there and try to open it up. But yeah, legit. And just so many memories. Hi. And I think we have one more up here in the front. Oh, the birds aren't happy either. Here's a Plymouth Acclaim or whatever you call it. And then over here, right here by the tree is where that SuperBee used to sit. In the other video, And then right there is the remains of a 70 Roadrunner orange car post car. And some of the parts that go along with this place. And a small block Mopar. And then another small block Mopar. Some cool stuff. And this was my first big barn find. Was this property and then his other one, which I'll show in a future video. These were the very first pictures I took of these cars back in 2004. I'd actually seen them once before, but I didn't bring my camera. So it was really neat to be able to walk around with my friend Tony and document them like I did. And unfortunately, when I was in college, space was at a premium, so everything had to be downsized. That's why they're of such poor quality. But at least I have them. And then every few years, I'd go back after I left that college and document them, see what kind of shape they're in. You can see them in the video. They're just completely covered in vines, like this Roadrunner right here, and the Charger. But it's really cool to document, 20 years of history. And the cars that have changed, have moved, like the 70 SuperBee, which you'll see here in a second, where it used to sit up in front of the old trailer. Now it's over at the other property, that SuperBee. So things are changing, some for the better, some for the worse, but at least there is some change, which is a plus. And I talked to Tony, and he plans on digging the rest of these cars out here in the near future, and probably moving them over to the new property now that he owns behind the shop. That way he can have everything in one spot in this town, because he has another property, which will probably be the next video, where he has a whole bunch of more cars stashed away, which will definitely be a good video, to say the least. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. Yeah, I really have been following those cars for 20 years. That was my first major find, was the one 2 videos before where the Superbird was in the barn. My friend Tony, he had fields of cars, and the one where I'm showing you today was what I first stumbled upon when I discovered his collection. So it's really neat to see, like 20 years ago and then now. For good and for bad, definitely. But at least they still exist, and they might be a little bit rougher, but they can still be saved, at least some of them. But keep watching. I'll be posting more videos from Tony's location in the next few updates on every Monday, except for this last one where I messed it up. That was my fault, because I was going to be on the road traveling on Monday, so I couldn't upload it. But I think I fixed it for this week. Let me know. But also, I thought I'd give you an update on the green car. You can see it over there. And so on Mopars, if you can see, the behind the grill is supposed to be black. And so I bought black paint that I was recommended, roll bar paint. And I'm like, okay, roll bar paint, matte, I've seen that. Painted it, it's gloss. And you can see it there, it's gloss. So I'm not sure what happened. Someone said that now VHT makes a gloss and a matte. And I think I got the wrong one. So I'll knock it down with some satin clear probably, and that should fix my problem. I'll let you guys know. But there will be a full video on the car and the grill restoration here in the near future. But let me know in the comments what you think, and of course on my social media. Everything's down below. I'll talk to you all soon. Stay safe. Bye.